5 moves save your license. Blue lights pop. Stay calm. Talk less, protect rights. Watch before you drive tonight.
Take a breath, relax, and let's get you ready.
We'll walk you through a simple, practical game plan for handling a traffic stop.
It's not about being confrontational, it's about being calm, prepared, and informed.
But here's the good news. You have power and rights in that moment.
It's the instant panic that can flip your day upside down.
Let's talk about that dreaded moment. Blue lights in your rear view, heart pounding.
That's a huge win in the first 30 seconds.
You've already shown you're responsible and ready to handle the stop.
This calm, clear sequence is your silent opening statement.
Wait for instructions, then move slowly and narrate your actions.
Don't reach for documents until asked.
This signals non-aggression and sets a tone of compliance.
Place both hands on the steering wheel, 10 and 2, in plain sight.
Signal. Pull over safely to a well-lit spot, turn off the engine, and turn on your dome light if it's dark.
Your goal is to show the officer you're cooperative and not a threat.
The lights are on. First step, stay calm and deliberate.
That's your right, use it.
Be polite. Provide documents but protect yourself by saying nothing more.
You're not required to answer questions that could incriminate you.
Say, "Officer, I'd prefer to remain silent," or "Am I free to go?"
If more questions come like, "Where are you coming from?" you can politely decline to answer.
Narrate your movements, hand over documents, then put your hands back on the wheel.
When asked for license and registration, tell the officer where they are before reaching.
If asked, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" just say, "No, officer, I'm not sure."
The officer's at your window. Less is more.
Comply with lawful orders, but don't volunteer for tests stacked against you.
Declining denies them evidence they're looking for.
You're not obstructing justice, you're protecting yourself.
No need to argue, just a firm, polite refusal.
If asked, say, "Officer, I respectfully decline to take any field sobriety tests."
These tests are tough even for sober people. Nerves, darkness, uneven ground.
You can and often should politely decline.
Field sobriety tests, walk and turn, one leg stand, look official, but in most states they're voluntary.
Know your rights before you're in that situation.
Understanding this is your first step in making the right decision.
It's a tough call, but know the difference between the two tests.
Refusing the post-arrest test means automatic license suspension, even if you're not convicted.
But if you're arrested, the official test at the station is mandatory under implied consent laws.
Refusing the PBT denies the officer probable cause evidence.
Say, "Officer, I decline the preliminary breath test."
The roadside test, PBT, is usually voluntary in many states. You can politely refuse.
There are 2 breath tests, the roadside portable test and the official post-arrest test.
Stay safe, stay discreet, and let your phone work for you.
A recording can be crucial evidence if there's a dispute later.
Don't obstruct or make the officer feel threatened.
If you can't get video, start an audio recording and place your phone on the seat.
Recordings protect both you and the officer.
A mounted phone captures everything: tone, words, instructions.
Use a dash mount to discreetly record the stop without interfering.
Your smartphone can be your impartial witness. Recording is your right in most states.
Memory fades, but your notes can win cases. Don't skip this step. It can make all the difference.
These notes can help your attorney challenge the officer's report.
Your memory fades fast, but notes taken right after are powerful evidence. The more details, the better for your defense.
Document the interaction. What was said, what you answered, what tests were offered or refused.
Note the time, location, weather, officer's name, and every detail.
After the stop, write down everything you remember, immediately. That clock is real, don't wait.
Invest in a specialist early, it's your best shot at a good outcome.
The right lawyer can spot weaknesses in the case and guide you through both DMV and court.
Don't try to handle this alone, get an expert.
Specialists know the paperwork deadlines and how to fight for your license.
Call a qualified DUI defense attorney immediately.
The DMV process is separate from criminal court, and deadlines are tight.
If you're arrested for DUI, act fast. There's often just days to save your license. A small investment for peace of mind and safety. We've partnered for a discount on a top-rated breathalyzer. Link below.
It's about making responsible choices, not finding loopholes.
Test yourself before driving. Don't guess.
Unsure if you're safe to drive? Personal breathalyzers are affordable and accurate.
If you've been drinking, use a rideshare, taxi, or stay put.
Prevention is your best defense. Make smart choices before you drive.
The best way to handle a DUI stop, avoid it entirely. Thanks for watching. Stay informed.
Be smart, be prepared, and stay safe.
Subscribe for more practical legal guides.
Knowledge is your best protection.
Share this video with friends and family. Everyone should know these steps.
We've made a one-page checklist. Download and keep it in your glove box.
That's your playbook for handling a traffic stop.